guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and make sure you subscribe for more crazy makeup tutorials. So to create this unicorn skull to start off with, I just sponged on different rainbow colours, just going down in a line from the top of my head all the way down to my chest area. Using a black eyeshadow, I started to shade on the skull features. Using a white face paint, I painted on a rib cage. I used a white eyeshadow around the face to start adding highlights and creating more of a skull face. I decided to not create the kind of totally black skull eye sockets that I normally do, so I added a winged liner and some mascara as well. Using a black face paint, I outlined the rib cage on the chest area. I then went into a white face paint and on the face just started to add more highlight details. I then applied this Wuchi unicorn horn using spirit gum, and the trick with spirit gum is you have to leave it for a bit on the skin for it to kind of go tacky before you stick any prosthetics on. I then started to stick these amazing self-adhesive gems from Pro Glitz. I will link you to the website down below onto the design. Using the Pro Glitz glitter gel, I put that on my face and onto the chest area, and I just started to apply a few different glitters to the design. I then started to paint on the skull teeth using a white face paint. This is Diamond FX, and I just painted the tooth shapes on the top and bottom row of my lips, which can be quite difficult because obviously your lips are 3D. And then I outlined them with a black paint, and then I went in between the teeth with a black eyeshadow and in between those lines with a white eyeshadow to create this 3D effect. I also applied some false lashes off camera. These are Unicorn Cosmetics Glamours on eyelashes, and I also put in some contact lenses. Okay, this is the finished look of my, what's it called, uniskull? I don't know. Anyway, please give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial and subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Happy Halloween!